Hi, I'm Rich from Digbits, and today I'm just going to go through a few basic dimensions that we might ask you at the time of ordering your bucket. So most people, when they've got a bucket, they think that everything on the machine will be standard. It's not always the case. You might have a setup picking up a slightly different machine at the bottom. So all we'll ask for is 3 basic dimensions. So all you're going to need is a couple of things. My personal favourite to measure with is the vernier gauge. That will give you a more accurate representation of your dimensions. Failing that, you can have a steel rule. Finally, you could use a tape measure. So firstly, we start with your pin diameter. So you can take this from the bottom of the bucket, just the internal diameter. In this case, we've got 25 millimeters. Failing that, you could take this from the pin itself. Make sure if you do take it from the pin, that you take it from the actual diameter of the pin. You've got a leading edge, which will be quite a lot smaller. Your next dimension, you could either take this with your vernier, steel rule, or if you need the extra length in there, you could use a tape measure. So from this dimension, we'll take this from the actual centre of the pinholes, gauging around there. You can double check this, you can go from the start to the end of the pins, just to make sure you get that right. That's where your tolerance of the quick hitch will really come in. Finally, the dimension you're going to want is the distance between the bosses of the bucket. Easiest way is popping your tape measure through and measuring the internal gap, like so. With those 3 dimensions, you can make sure your bucket's going to fit first time.